The economy is crumbling, fear grips the markets, and your investments are losing value. But what if I told you that hidden within this chaos are opportunities to build wealth, not just survive? Yes, even in a recession. By the end of this video, you'll uncover the secrets to not just protecting your portfolio, but profiting from the stock market in 2025. Setting the stage, the reality of recession. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room: recessions. They're scary and unpredictable, often leaving even seasoned investors scrambling. But did you know that some of the world's greatest fortunes were built during recessions? Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." This mindset isn't just advice, it's a strategy. Now, here's a question. Would you rather panic like the crowd or play it smart and profit? Spoiler alert, you're here because you want the second option. So how do you spot these golden opportunities amidst all the noise? Let's break it down into actionable steps. The secrets to profiting. Not all stocks crash in a recession. Some sectors, like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples, thrive. Why? Because people still need medication, electricity, and groceries, even when times are tough. Example? Think of companies like Johnson & Johnson or Procter & Gamble. These giants often outperform because their products are essential. So, during uncertain times, shifting part of your portfolio into defensive sectors could stabilize your returns. Leveraged dollar cost averaging. Now, if you're wondering how to spot the best stock deals, you'll love the next strategy. Focus on quality and value stocks. Example. But identifying value requires a keen eye. In a moment, I'll share how you can easily find these hidden gems. Closing with opportunity and action. Here's the big takeaway. Recessions aren't just about survival. They're about seizing opportunities. Whether it's investing in defensive sectors, leveraging dollar cost averaging, or targeting quality value stocks, these strategies could transform your financial future. Now, imagine this. What if you could supercharge your wealth with the power of compounding? Yes, the longer you invest, the greater your returns grow. Exponentially. To learn how compounding can turn small investments into life-changing wealth, check out my next video, The Power of Compounding. Build wealth effortlessly, linked right here. Linked right here. Amy's voice builds on many complex rewards, showing actors how to think and act so as to become mad.